This gonna be the one right here. Let me put this back up. Do a movie tier list. I been did a movie tier list. I been did a movie tier list. You gotta look through my videos, brother. I been did a movie tier list. Alright, so here we go. Cartoon Network. I was a Cartoon Network kid growing up, so yeah. I know Cartoon Network ain't what it used to be, but I used to be a Cartoon Network kid growing up. Everybody was a Nickelodeon kid, motherfucking Disney kids out here and shit. Hell no. Hell no. I get it. Nickelodeon only had 5 good shows throughout the 2000s. Was none of them shows touching none of them shows was touching what Cartoon Network was putting out. Go ahead and set this up properly here. I said, the hell? Never watched, don't remember. What is this? Alright, let's delete that row. Y'all already know how this go, man. So let's see here. We got 2 Stupid Dogs. Come on, man. I'll throw it up here. No, you know what? Fuck it. 2 Stupid Dogs is goated. I don't care what y'all say, bro. Anything from the 90s and early 2000s Cartoon Network is possibly going to be goated. Hands down. I'm putting 2 Stupid Dogs up there. What is this? I never watched that show, so I wouldn't know. A Pup Named Scooby-Doo. I'm going to throw in a good tier, but that was a gimmick, though. Pup Named Scooby-Doo was a gimmick. Adventure Time. I'm going to be real with y'all. I hit my teenage years around like 2007. So when I hit my teenage years, I was outside. I was off the porch. But so I didn't watch Adventure Time, but y'all can rank that however y'all feel. I didn't watch Adventure Time. That was I was outside. I was off the porch. I was out here doing bad shit with niggas' sisters. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So if that's y'all show, that's y'all show. But me, Adventure Time, I was off the porch. I was doing bad shit. I don't know what this is. What is this right here? I want to make sure I can at least see it. Give myself a chance. Okay, I don't know what that is. Yeah, I want to say anything past like 2008, 2009, that type of range. More than likely, I wasn't watching it. I never watched that. Gumball was past my prime. Past my prime. I'm just looking at these shows. All these shows are past my prime. Gumball is past my prime. A lot of these shows go be past my prime. Baby Looney Tunes though, goated. Batman Beyond, goated. Batman, goated. Ben 10, come on, man. Ben 10 is goated. Really, you gonna really come in the chat and that's the first thing you gonna type in the chat? Really? That's really the first thing you gonna type when you come in the chat. Alright, Chief, get the fuck up out of here. I wish this thing would get out the way. Alright, bro, I gotta get you up out of here, bro. Ain't nobody we don't do that negativity over here, bro. Bro, how do you shit acting weird? Yeah, we don't do that negativity up in here. Nah, ain't no sorry. You came in here on that negativity. You get the fuck up out of here. Ain't no sorry. Fuck you, nigga. Bro, this nigga. Fuck out of here. Do not come in. We ain't here on positive vibe. You ain't here on that bullshit. We did not come in here for that. Okay. See here, and then we gonna skip over these because we already got Ben 10 on here, so we gonna skip over these Ben 10s. We already got Batman on here, so we're gonna skip past that one. Camp Lazlo, I'm gonna put in the good tier. It wasn't like the best show out, but it was a good show. It was a good show. Camp Lazlo was a good show. Like, we ain't gotta come in here on the negativity, bro. Let's have fun, man. Let's see here. Captain Planet. I'm gonna throw it in the good tier. It wasn't a bad show. It wasn't my type of show, but it wasn't a bad show. Okay, let me see here. What is that? Chopstick cook? I don't know. Okay. We're gonna throw that in the never seen. Chowder is when I was past my prime. Chowder is past my prime. What is this? Clarence? Clarence is past my prime. This was probably the last show I remember being on Cartoon Network. Andre 3000 show. I'm gonna put it in good. It wasn't goated because they ain't really had that many. I don't think they really had that many episodes. I think the shows were like what, 2-3 seasons probably. I don't remember. Cloudy Chance of Meatballs, never watched it. I watched the movie, but I never watched the show. What is this? Chowder goated. Like I said, it's past my prime. So y'all can say, y'all can tell me in the comment section. Y'all can tell me. Y'all can tell me in the chat. I don't know. That's past my prime. Let me throw this in the never seen. Codename Kids Next Door goated. Codename Kids Next Door goated. Kurt, hey man. We talk about Courage the Cowardly Dog. I'm gonna say this. Courage the Cowardly Dog Courage the Cowardly Dog. What time zone am I in? I'm in the Midwest. I'm in the Midwest. I'm down south, but I'm still in the Midwest area. Oh no, it's 9 o'clock where I am. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. I might go past 10. Amir. I might go past it. Yeah, my prime was like 90, was like mid 90s. My cartoon watching days was between like the mid 90s to 2008, 2009. Come on, man. You can't talk about Courage like that, man. But hey, real talk though, Courage. I know everybody says that Ed, and Eddie is like the GOAT. I know that they say that it's the GOAT, but Courage the Cowardly Dog has a strong argument for being the top Cartoon Network show. It's like 1A, 1B pretty much between Ed, and Eddie and Courage the Cowardly Dog. That's for real. I'm in Michigan. Wait, if it's already 10 in Michigan, how's it only 9 o'clock? I don't know. It might. I don't know. I'm in Central Time. I thought it was all the same. I guess not. I didn't watch Cartoon Network at all, and barely Disney Channel. I was solely nickel. I'm not about to know much about any of these. Dang. That mean you missed out. You was just watching SpongeBob. Damn, you was just watching SpongeBob and Patrick. You missed out on some classics right here, man. Cartoon Network have variety versus Nickelodeon, because Nickelodeon had variety, but then SpongeBob happened and SpongeBob took off, and like Nickelodeon just went full-fledged SpongeBob. Oh, okay, you Eastern time. Okay, I thought. Okay, Cow and Chicken is goated. I don't care. Cow and Chicken is goated. This show is past my prime. Wait, what is this right here? I know this ain't what I. The fuck is this? Superhero Girls? Yeah, I mean the early 2000s Nickelodeon. It seemed like after, I want to say it seemed like after the SpongeBob movie, they just went full-fledged SpongeBob. Because a lot of shows started getting canceled, or a lot of shows just stopped appearing. That's the reason why I think I stopped. That's one thing I think I stopped watching Nickelodeon, because one, SpongeBob went bad. SpongeBob started going bad. Then they started showing less. They started wrapping up a bunch of the shows. It was like series finale here, series finale here. It's like, what's going on with all these series finales? And then they started bringing out these boo-boo shows that wasn't really hidden, but they kept SpongeBob. Like Fairy Odd Parents was getting hit, was here and there. Danny Phantom, I feel like they ended Danny Phantom a little too early. They canceled Avatar and then brought it back so many fucking times. This nigga said my life as a teenage thought. You mean my life as a teenage robot? Yeah, I stopped watching cartoons around like 2008, 2009. I was still watching anime till about like I still watching anime till about like 2010. Then I stopped watching just animation altogether. I was off the porch. I was hopping off the porch doing bad shit. I don't know what this is, but we gonna put that right here. Dexter's Laboratory is goated. Like Fatboy Chocho came out, I completely checked out on watching these cartoons. Yeah, that's when it started getting out of. That's when it was like, yo, what the fuck is this shit? What happened to Jimmy Neutron? I was because that's what was making me mad. They kept cutting shows off, ending them off. Like dog, because like I said, like Nickelodeon had a variety. Nickelodeon used to have a variety, but it's like they just went SpongeBob. It's like after the SpongeBob movie, shit started getting cut off. Like the Rugrats was done, Wild Thornberries was done, Rocket Power wasn't on no more. Um, man, what else? Cat Dog got their fucking series finale. Like they it's like after the SpongeBob movie, they just started getting rid of all the shows, all the good shows, one by one by one. Hey Arnold got a fucking movie after SpongeBob. They just started cutting shows off one by one. I saw the writing on the wall. That's why I just said I'm gonna stay over here with Cartoon Network because they still putting out content. What's this? The Dragon Show. I don't know what that is. Duck Dodgers. I remember that. That was on WB Kids. I remember Duck Dodgers. Ed and Eddie goated. Matter of fact, hold on real quick. Let me do it right. 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 Let's see here. Efo, I don't know what that is. Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends, goated. Garfield, the revamped Garfield show. Yeah, you can throw that. No, you can throw that in mid. You can throw that in mid. Unless it's the original one. If it's the original Garfield show from like the 90s, goated. But if it's the revamped one, no, you can throw that one in mid. Green Lantern, I never knew Green Lantern had his own show. Billy and Mandy is goated. Let's see here. I'm doing this on Lassane Crooks. Who is Lassane Crooks? Who is Lassane Crooks? I saw the baby one. I'm not doing the baby one because they just centered the whole channel around SpongeBob. All you see is reruns of it. Pretty much. But y'all know what I mean. The 80s. The old Garfield. Y'all know what I mean. I don't know when it came out, man. I was born in '94, man. Garfield was already on the TV, man. I don't remember. All I remember in the '90s, I remember that Garfield being there. A lot of these shows I'm not gonna know. George of the Jungle, that shit was trash. That's why he the MVP. Is this like the original Grimm? Because if this is the original Grimm, then yeah. He-Man. I don't know if this is the remaster. I don't think it was a remastered. At least I don't think so. No, I didn't expect you to listen to the baby, but you got to look up Lassane Crooks. I'm gonna look it up. I don't know who that is. But the baby, yeah, I'm definitely not listening to that. That's the baby is mid the whole way through. It's a nigga. I just remembered now, nigga. That Oprah shit, nigga. Oh yeah, that is Tupac original name before she changed it. Before Phinia changed it. Okay. Alright, Amir, I see. I forgot that was Tupac original name. My bad. I forgot that was Tupac original name. No, I could have sworn Afeni said she changed it. Didn't Afeni change it? She said she legally changed it. I thought she said she legally changed it when he was like a couple of months old. Or like a couple of months old, she legally changed it to Tupac. Bro, I could have sworn it's been hella Bro, you not gonna tell me, bro. Do you know how much Tupac lore I watch on the daily, bro, on YouTube? You know how much Tupac lore I go through? Interviews, all that shit. I could have sworn Afeni said when he was about like a couple of months old, she changed his name legally. Or maybe that may have just been a misunderstanding. I don't know. Maybe she did, maybe she didn't. I don't know. Nah, cause I forgot his legal name, bro. I forgot his first name, bro, cause it don't get talked about enough. It don't get talked about enough. So I don't be thinking about it. But if I remember when we, man, don't bring up the Frazier thing. No, we ain't gonna go past that Oprah shit though. You want to bring up the Frazier thing? Let's talk about that Oprah shit, Amir. Let's talk about that Oprah. You want to be Stedman and shit? Think you want to be the new Stedman and shit? All right. This nigga want to be Stedman. You want to be in the guest house? Hell nah. Nigga. ain't no way Twang entertain. Hell nah. I would never. No, I know like 3 of them niggas in Twang entertain. So I know for damn sure ain't nobody named Lassane in that motherfucker. I know 3 of them niggas. I went to high school with them niggas, bruh. That was a 9-man group. Nigga, that ain't no sugar mama, though. Nigga, you really think Stedman was getting... You think she was sugar mama Stedman? Nigga, do you know what she was doing to Stedman? I think you might need to look that up, my brother. She was not treating Stedman like you think she was treating him, bro. Ain't gonna be no tricking or none of that. She had Stedman sign a contract, bro. He ain't get nothing. He couldn't get nothing, nada. That nigga slept in the guest house. That nigga couldn't even show his face when company was around. You need to really look up how she treated Stedman. Twang Entertain. Yes, bro. That's their name. Their name is Twang Entertain. That was their name. Yes, bro. Like I said, I know 3 of them niggas, bro. I know 3 of them niggas from that group, bro. Is it Gabrielle Union? No, it's worse than that. It ain't no finger in the booty, bro. She treated that nigga like he never existed, bro. You don't want that Stedman treatment, bro. She ain't gonna love you like that. She ain't gonna love you like you want to be loved, my nigga. She treats Stedman like shit. Publicly, my nigga. She publicly humiliated that man, bro. You do not. You gotta look up how she treated Stedman, bro. She treated Stedman like shit. And then when she was through with him, just dumped him, left him with nothing. No, she treated Stedman like shit. This nigga wanna be Stedman, alright. I be trying to warn y'all about Oprah, man. Oh, you talk about you talk about D from Wayne Bros, or the mom from Friday. That's who you talking about. I'll let you slide on Kim Whitley. I understand Kim Whitley. I'll let you slide on that one. But I ain't gonna lie. Back in her prime, I give you D from the Wayne Bros. But nowadays she don't. Nah, she passed her prime, bro. Hey, we got another subscriber.
They subscribe to the channel.
You a freaky ass nigga, freaky frog. You a freaky frog. Fucking freaky frog. You a freaky frog.
I gotta get that as the alert, bro. I gotta get that as my alert, bro. I don't know why I didn't do that. Yeah, she passed her prime, bro. She don't look as good as she used to look on the Wayne Bros, bro. She is past her prime, bro. She slump eyed now, bro. She old. Let's just say that. She old. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright, that's you. That's you. I ain't gonna judge you. That's you, Amir.
You a freaky ass nigga, freaky frog. You a freaky frog. Fucking freaky frog. You a freaky frog.
Oh man. Let's see here. I never watched this one. I Am Weasel. I remember I Am Weasel. I Am Weasel. Go it. Who's your oldest? Hear me out. Shit. Hell no. My oldest, hear me out. It's an obvious one though. Pam Grier. It's too obvious. It's too obvious for me. It'd be Pam Grier. Even though she done let herself go, but still. Mine's is too obvious. What the fuck is that? I ain't watched that. Okay, Johnny Bravo, goated. I don't care what people say. People try to cancel Johnny Bravo like they try to do Pepe Le Pew. Johnny Bravo is not Pepe Le Pew, but then again, Pepe Le Pew didn't do nothing either. I hate when they try to cancel cartoons years later. Johnny Test, I'm gonna put that in the mid. Justice League, goated. Justice League, the second one, goated. Goddamn, how many Justice Leagues is there? I'm not gonna do this no more. Crypto the Dog, trash. I did not like that show. What is this? Never watched it. Never watched it. Never watched it. Looney Tunes is forever goated. That's not even up for debate. Mad TV, I didn't watch it. Didn't watch that. Didn't watch that. Didn't watch that. Didn't watch that. Mike and what's this show name? Mike and Lou. Hey man, that might be. Hey, this might be controversial, but I feel like this show is goated. I feel like this show is goated. This show don't get the love and appreciation that it deserves. I'm sorry, but it don't. Okay, let's see here. Never watched that. Never watched that. Mucha Lucha. Mucha Lucha. I put it up here good. It was pretty good for what it was. Never watched it. My gym partner is a monkey. I'm gonna put that up here in the good tier. Ozzy and Drix. I hated the fact that they made a TV show based off of this and then moved them into a different body. Hell no, fuck out of here. Mid. Powerpuff Girls. If this is the first iteration of Powerpuff Girls, goated. The second iteration, trash. Let's see here. Let's see here. Powerpuff Girls, trash. The second iteration is trash. Never watch. Regular show, never watch. Nope. Samurai Jack, goated. I hated that we had to wait damn near 10 years just to get a fucking conclusion to the goddamn show. I hated the fact that they did that to us. Scooby-Doo is always goated. Every iteration of Scooby-Doo is goated, except the Velma show. Velma show could kick rocks. No, I'm gonna go right through this real quick. Let's see here. Space Ghost, goated. I'm gonna put Space Ghost in the goated tier. Let's see here. Star Wars. Star Wars is goated. I'm gonna put Star Wars in the goated. Where I put Star Wars at? Star Wars is definitely goated. That shit was fire. Star Wars Clone Wars was goated. Yeah, you never watched the regular show? Nah, bro, it's past my prime. Regular show is past my prime. Static Shock is fucking goated, bro. Come on, man.
That's why he's MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
Static Shock is, matter of fact, it's Black History Month. Fuck out of here. Static Shock at the top, I think. Fuck you mean. It's Black History Month. I just realized you ain't streamed since my best Outkast video. You know how long ago that was? Last year? That's how long ago it was. Last year. Oh man. Yeah. We gonna have something pertaining to Outkast in a minute. We're gonna have a tier list pertaining to Outkast in a minute, so it ain't gonna be evolve around Outkast, but it's going to pertain to Outkast. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna skim right through these so we can move on to the next one. Let's see here. Nope. Teen Titans. We never even talked about the worst songs. I still got mad for what I said about. I still got people mad for what I said about Equibini. Like I said though, I mean, hey man, you entitled to your own opinion, man. For real though, you entitled to your own opinion, man. For real. I ain't gonna be mad at you, shit. That's your opinion. That's your opinion. That's your right. Teen Titan Go. I never watched Teen Titan Go. I don't even know why I'm looking at it. I'm looking through all these shows. A lot of these shows I did not watch. I'm trying to look for shows that I did watch. Robot Jones. I remember Robot Jones. That show was actually fire, bro. Well, we're gonna throw it in the good tier. We're gonna throw it in the good tier. I remember Robot Jones. What a cartoon. Oh yeah, that's when they was trying to find their next cartoon. I remember that. That's how they found Dexter's Laboratory and all them other shows. Scooby-Doo, like I said, any iteration of Scooby-Doo is goated besides the Velma show. Velma show gets no love. Let's see here. Shaolin Showdown. Shaolin Showdown is goated. Nah, matter of fact, it's good. I wouldn't say it's goated. It got real repetitive. Bro, when you got ghetto music and you said you can't tell me this nigga Big Boy don't look like his name would be Andre, I laughed out loud. Cause it do, bro. It seemed like his name would be Andre, bro. He seemed like his name would be Andre, and then Andre 3000 name looked like his name would be like Jamal or James or something like that, bro. I'm telling you, bro, it's ass backwards in my personal opinion. It's like Big Boy name looked like Andre, and Andre looked like his name's supposed to be like Jamal or something like that, bro. I'm telling you. The original Batman. Come on, man. The original Batman. Psh, top fucking tier show. But it's Black History Month. We're not putting it above Static Shock. It's Black History Month. We ain't putting nothing past. We ain't putting nothing above Static Shock. Is this the original Superman? If this is the original Superman, then hell yeah. The original Superman definitely goes up there. And the rest of the shit I never watched. So that's it for this one. So we 2 tier lists down. Let's get to the next one, which is pertaining to Outkast now. So let me stop the recording.